Hello, it's Peter here from King Alfred School, and I'm going to introduce you to our new online system for homework delivery. It's called Canvas, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can get on and you can see the homework that your children have been set. So the first thing you need to do is open up a browser. So I've got Safari here. Open up Google and type in King Alfred Canvas. Canvas should appear as the very first link. So I'm going to hit King Alfred Canvas there and type in your email address and, hold on a second, and the password that I should have given out to you. If you're at an event, I would have given it to you in person. Otherwise, it would be in your email. And when you first log in, you should be greeted with a screen that says there's terms of use that you need to agree to, like you do for lots and lots of websites. This is what you should see when you first log in. You should see lots and lots of different cards, and those cards represent the different classes that your children are in. So Year 7 Art with Thea, Year 7 English with Anna, Year 7 French with Danielle, and so on and so on and so on. It will say if there's homework that's due for the next week in this little coming up section. And the most important area to go to is the calendar. If you click on the calendar, you'll get all of the homework that has been set over the last week, 2 weeks, and you can even go back to previous months. I want to remind you at this moment that Canvas is in the pilot stages, and there have been a few problems, some technical issues that teachers have been seeing. So not every single piece of homework has gone up into Canvas this term. We're looking to make sure that it's all sorted out and ironed out for next term, so every single piece of homework will be on there. If you just flick through, you can go to February, you can go back to previous months, and you can just click on a piece of work and it will tell you what the homework was. So this is a homework that I set for my Year 7 maths class, so I can see it's appeared here, and you can see the actual worksheets if worksheets have been attached. You can click onto work. I think this is one Alango set recently, and you can go and you have a look at a little bit more detail about the homework. One of the greatest features in Canvas, though, is the ability to not have to always go into the website. If you want to know about your homework that's been set, the homework that's been set for your children, all you need to really go to is the notifications section and make sure you have your notifications switched on, and you can get a daily or a weekly email, or even an email sent as soon as homework has been set. This very first section where it says due date will basically refers to whenever a homework, which is called an assignment in Canvas, has been set. And if you click on the tick box here on the right hand side, then that means you'll get an email immediately as soon as the homework has been set. The little clock icon means you'll get an email every single day to remind you what homework has been set that day, or you can get a weekly summary, or you can switch off emails completely. I advise that you actually switch everything on to weekly. If you switch everything onto weekly, you're not going to get too many emails. Just once a week that will give you a summary about the homework that has been set. If you don't want to get emails, but you prefer to get text messages, you can set that up as well. By going into settings, click on other contact methods and just select UK and type in your telephone number. And what will happen is you'll get the option to get notifications via text messages. When you do that, there'll be an extra column that appears on the right of your email address, and that will allow you to set an instant text every single time one of your children gets a piece of homework, and so on and so on and so on. So this is how Canvas works. Thank you for watching. Just want to take one moment to say that there is also a Canvas parent app. The app doesn't work as well as the website at the moment. It hasn't got all the features, but if you go into the App Store, you can type in Canvas Parent, and you can get the app. If you wanted to try that out, by all means have a go. All right, thank you for watching.